What's going on, guys? Brian here, and today we're going to talk all about Amazon Sales Rank. So, what is Amazon Sales Rank, and why is it important? This is important to understand for both people that are private labeling and people looking to source products for arbitrage. Now, sales rank is a number that Amazon assigns to every single product. And this number basically indicates how frequently or how infrequently for my arbitrage people out there, a product sells on Amazon. Put simply, you can use sales rank to determine the demand of a product. If you know a product is selling fast based on the sales rank, then obviously it's a great product to go ahead and source for online arbitrage or any form of arbitrage, assuming obviously that you can buy it with a low price and get a good margin. For those of you that are private labeling, sales rank can be a good indicator of the other competition that you have on similar products in the marketplace. For instance, let's say that you have 10 other competitors that all manufacture a similar product to yours. The best indicator of your competition and how many units they're actually pushing wouldn't be where they rank on page 1 or what page they rank on. No, it would be the sales rank. And this is very, very important to understand as a whole when you're selling on Amazon. There is no more direct indicator of how well a product is doing and how much sales and sales volume a product actually has than the Amazon sales rank. Because in business, it's always supply and demand. Well, if you know the specific demand of a product, i.e. the sales rank on Amazon, then obviously you know what supply you can successfully bring to the marketplace. And the last thing that you want to do is purchase an arbitrage product that doesn't sell. It doesn't matter if you bought that product for the best margin in the entire world. If it doesn't sell and there's no demand for it, well, you're gonna lose money, even if you sourced it for, let's say, a cent. You're still losing that cent. And the same goes for private label sellers alike, too. The worst thing that you can do, albeit on a higher, more risky scale, is to try to source a product that doesn't have demand in the marketplace. I know personally, a lot of new private label sellers are under the impression that they want to look for a product that has very low competition. But that is a huge mistake, because low competition or too many sellers with a low sales rank means not enough demand in the Amazon marketplace. So why would you increase the supply of a product that doesn't have the demand to match that? So that's why sales rank is important. If you're new here, consider subscribing. And if you like the content value in today's video, give it a thumbs up. I genuinely appreciate it. Also, let me know down in the comments section what your best tip would be for Amazon private labelers that are just getting into it and just getting started. And I'll see you in the next one.